And welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today's little pattern is this geranium flower. So I'll be using two different colors for this. So a bit of leftover yarn is actually perfect for this types of projects. You will also require a crochet hook of the appropriate size, a pair of scissors, a darning needle. If you don't have a darning needle, please use a smaller crochet hook. This is extremely quick to make up. You're going to start by making a slip knot and chain 4. Form a circle by making a slip stitch into the very first chain. Chain 3, 2 double crochets into your ring, chain 2. Your repeat for this round is the chain 2 and 3 double crochets. And you will repeat that until you have 5 sets of 3 double crochets with 2 chain in between. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what you're going to do. When you get to the end of your row 1, slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the beginning. At this stage, you can cut your yarn. And I like to use this method to slip stitch. So I just work my needle into the 3rd chain, go back into the chain 1, into the chain that I made, and from the back, work in that yarn, and cut off the excess. With your next color, which I'm going to use purple, a very dark purple. Please make a slip knot. You can join this. Join this to where you finished your row. And chain 1. Now you're going to work in your chain 2 space. One single crochet into that chain space, followed by a chain 1, 2 double crochets into that chain 2 space, chain 2, 1 double crochet into the same space, chain 2, 2 double crochet into that same space, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same chain space, chain 1. That's how simple each petal is. You repeat for this round. You are only to work in your chain 2 spaces. 1 single crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochets, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 single crochet, and 1 chain. You will continue to work like that for the remaining 3 chain 2 spaces. When you get to the end of your row, slip stitch into the very first chain 1 that you made and cut your yarn. And you know I'm going to do that invisible stitch, so I'm taking out my slip stitch, threading my yarn onto a darning needle, and I'm going to go through the chain 1 and the chain 1 stitch on this side. See how it looks. And I'm going to work my tail away and make a knot while I'm doing that. And this is what you're left with, a beautiful geranium. 2 different colors. Let me know what you think in the comments. Tag me in a video when you try it. Most importantly, enjoy crocheting, happy crocheting, and have a wonderful day. This is the Queen Phoenix out.